This video will guide you through the process of replacing the crankshaft position sensor on the 2006 Dodge Ram 1500 V8, 4.7 liters. The crankshaft position (CKP) sensor is located at the right rear side of the engine block. It is positioned and bolted into a machined hole in the engine block. Begin by removing the crankshaft position sensor. 1. Use a lift to raise the vehicle. 2. Disconnect the crankshaft position sensor's electrical connector. 3. Use a wrench to loosen the mounting bolt securing the sensor, then carefully twist the sensor and remove it from the cylinder block. 4. Discard the sensor O-ring. Finish by installing a new crankshaft position sensor. 1. Use a brush or compressed air to clean out the machined hole in the engine block. 2. Apply a small amount of engine oil to the sensor's O-ring. 3. Install the new sensor into the engine block, using a slight rocking and twisting motion. 4. Use a torque wrench to tighten the mounting bolts to 21 foot-pounds. 5. Connect the electrical connector to the sensor. 6. Lower the vehicle to finish the installation process. This concludes the procedure for replacing a crankshaft position sensor on the 2006 Dodge Ram 1500 V8, 4.7 liters. Thank you for watching.